King. Brand new Louis V bag. I bought it. Big bang rolls in my pants. I got it. Add a little drip to my swag. So saucy. All I do is set trends, and these niggas follow.
For some reason, I don't know why. But yeah, this is all the stuff that we've tried.
I say really, right now, these.
Those is taking. Yeah.
This the order.
Cookies.
This the order.
I think to me, this is Jeremy's. This is what he think is the best.
How you think they go first? From the good taste.
I say 1, 2.
Not side by side.
Yeah, 3.
Okay, so that.
Oh, you forgot about these.
I ain't like them.
You didn't like the chips, the top ramen noodles.
I put that last though. I'll put that like right there.
So that's his lineup for the Japanese stuff. Y'all didn't like none of those little cookies right there?
No, I ain't like
I ain't like that.
What's your order?
My order would be.
Of course, you like a whole bunch of sugar.
Like that. I'll put these second, third, fourth, and I didn't like these at all, so that's out of the picture. I don't like those.
My lineup would be these. Well, no. This first, then this, and that's it. No, I like these too. These strawberry ones are good.
Nasty.
I like those. Those, and then, well, I say the chocolate ones and then the strawberry ones.
That last thing
That's
that we
my
just
order.
ate almost made me throw up, man. Seriously.
The rest of that stuff, I ain't really too much care for.
Whatever that was in the middle, he liked them.
What's that?
Oh,
What are those?
it look like little stumps from a tree stump.
Yeah.
What is it called?
Hang on.
That's what they look like.
Hand.
I don't know what those.
They good.
They good.
What they taste like? They look like the cookies that we was talking about earlier.
Got a cookie and then
Not real.
chocolate like a
Let me taste.
like a
No,
Easter,
no,
like
they're not.
an Easter chocolate.
They
This is what they look like.
taste like the
Weird, like it's a cookie and chocolate around
the
it.
Sprite cookies again. But the chocolate isn't like our chocolate. It's like a different type of chocolate.
I don't like them.
Now, where do you finish biting?
Everything tastes like it has a flour base to it.
And Nestle, like Nestle make it.
Yeah.
No. Nestle is actually good. Nestle is U.S. Nestle is made in the U.S.
But that's gross.
Yeah,
I mean, it's not gross, but everything just has like a floury taste to it, which is weird.
Okay.
All right, y'all. So this concludes our Japanese section for now until we fix these.
So we'll get back to that.
We're also going to get some more opinions on how the rest of this stuff tastes to everybody else. So we just waiting on that. All right.
Go to the Brazil.
Now we're going to the Brazilian tray.
That's my blood. Right?
Oh, Lord. We have Neapolitan cubes, which looks like just a chocolate wafer. This is another chocolate wafer. Me and you. Cocoa and orange.
Huh?
Cocoa coated water with orange flavor. That's probably going to be so nasty. That's cocoa coated wafer with hazelnut cream. That one probably be good because I like hazelnut. We have their
version of Oreo.
Version of the Oreo cookie.
It's called Bis.
Bis Oreo. And what are those?
Like our Nutella, I guess. It's like our Nutella with the little
Pyru cream. So it's look like a wafer with a chocolate cream on the inside.
Pyru.
She called it the bloods.
It does say Pyru cream on it.
Oh yeah, I see.
All right. So here we
They
go.
look like little cigars, y'all.
This man always want to smoke a cigar.
He was in Puerto Rico. That man bought about 5 cigars.
What it taste like? Nasty?
If it's nasty, I ain't gonna. It's good. He's still eating, so it gotta be good. What it taste like? That's Brazil. The smell, you can smell chocolate and a little.
The chocolate good is the cookie part. Like
I like these.
I don't like
This remind me of these
No.
little cookie things that my
I would not eat these.
grandma friend used to get.
They did
She's from Filipino. And it's just from the Philippines. And she used to get these same exact little cookie things. And she used to bring them to us all the time. I like those.
I don't like those at all.
I like them.
Then they named it Pyro. I don't like that.
So these ready to eat what?
Neapolitan cubes.
These are probably good though. They look like vanilla wafers. Not vanilla wafers, those things they used to get with the different flavors, strawberry and you know what
The wafer things.
wafers. What are they called? The wafer things, y'all?
They thick though.
Oh, they look
Like
like
a big old cube.
oh, this is good. They probably good, huh?
Now those are good.
It's just like,
Their eyes got big.
bro, it's my grandma be having them.
I know too much they long, huh?
Yeah, them sticks.
Yeah.
What are
They
they
got the
called?
strawberry, vanilla, and
Yeah.
chocolate.
I can't think of the name of those things for nothing. But these are real good, okay? Great Brazil. Them good.
Yeah, these are good.
They so good. I had two, and I ain't had two of none of this stuff. Seconds.
Y'all wanna try these wafer ones? Or y'all try the Oreos next?
The Oreos.
Let that be nice, 'cause I know them nasty.
The Oreos, it seems like all their stuff is made like wafers though.
Yeah.
This is me and you.
This is me and you, the hazelnut one.
Yeah, that's me now.
It's me and you. No.
We don't need several, we could just break this piece, because this is big.
Yeah, this is what it looks like, me and you.
Everything is a freaking wafer. Tastes like gasoline.
It tastes like what?
Gasoline.
It tastes like gasoline.
It
It tastes like gasoline. No.
has a weird taste to it.
Nah, it stink. It do. It stink.
Yeah, all right. I don't like that. Yeah, I don't like that.
Well, I guess that leaves me. You know I'm the dramatic one.
Ooh, wee.
Yeah, I don't like that.
You know I'm the dramatic one. I'm scared again.
Oh my god.
I don't like that.
You don't like that, bro?
Nah.
What it tastes like though?
It just tastes weird. Like,
Well, I guess I gotta be the one to try it.
I don't know.
You know, real dramatic.
Oh,
it's hard to explain what it even tastes like.
What flavor is that?
It's not bad. Like, it just has a
Hazelnut.
weird
You
taste.
think it's gonna do something to me, bro? Make me act up?
bro, you just gotta,
You just gotta try it.
you just gotta try it. I don't like it though. Keep chewing. Don't stop.
I don't like that. I'm
I don't
sorry.
want to see you spit.
I'm sorry, y'all. I'm sorry, but it tastes almost like that Asian one that we just had.
Yeah.
It's somewhere for that flavor. And I almost threw up again.
And that was the hazelnut cream.
So it means that orange one probably gonna be.
Oh, I don't even want to try that one.
You have to try it.
You gotta try it. This is an orange flavor.
Y'all, that is gross, man.
And you know,
The same thing. The same way.
Same thing. You taste the orange though, but it's just like
It's the consistency of it.
the base.
That's the only thing you smell is the orange. You can smell the orange. You can smell it.
You
I
can
guess
taste
it's
the
the cocoa, the type of cocoa that they use. That's what gives us the bad flavor, the type of cocoa that they use.
Yeah.
Do you guys know what type of cocoa they use in Brazil? Where are cocoa beans from though? Isn't it from Brazil?
orange. In Cuba.
Cuba. Okay.
That one not bad. It tastes like a chocolate orange. That one wasn't as bad as the hazelnut one. I don't like the hazelnut one.
Yeah. It tastes exactly like an orange. Like my grandma used to cut the orange, and then all that orange hit you in your face as soon as you come in the house. That's what it tastes like. It wasn't bad.
This is the Oreos, which I don't even know if I want to try this.
And that's all Brazil.
Oh, hell no.
What? Oh, look how these little Oreos look like. This is something different. Look like a pack of gum. They probably,
They said this is all you need is 100
It's not like a
calories.
mini
It's like a what you call it? Cookies and cream Hershey.
yeah, Hershey.
I'm just gonna eat the whole thing because I know this good. I love Hershey.
It was weird. I don't like it. It tastes like a. It has a cream cheese base to it.
Yeah.
You were like, well, I guess I'm not
You
eating the
probably
whole
don't
thing.
like it though, because it tastes like that Hershey one that you like.
Yeah. I don't like
Of course, he would like that one.
Well, it's good. I would eat these every day. But of course, that's what they look like, y'all. They real good.
I'll pass on
They
that.
good.
I say the only good thing out of this tray is that
That's what those taste like. These two taste exactly the same way.
they taste the same, but
So we all agree that the me and you wafer ones,
Man, those things
All
were
right.
nasty.
this out of all of them is my favorite.
These two are my favorite. Well, first the Oreos. These are amazing. And these cubes, they're pretty cool too. So what you say?
so just them.
They're pretty cool, man.
So that's it for De Brazil. It's chili based for some
I'm just
reason.
gonna
I don't know why.
I'm just gonna go and get these bad boys out of the way because they got they flag.
I don't even like coconut stuff.
I don't like coconut stuff, you guys, but check these bad boys out.
Coconut. I'm allergic to coconut.
Oh, you allergic to coconut? Oh, well, that's all they stuff based.
Jeremy lying. He is not allergic to coconut.
Let me call Pretty see. No,
He is not
let me see
allergic
if
to
I'm
coconut.
ready to call his wife. He trying to see, trying to lie, talking about he allergic to.
I'm allergic to coconut.
Let's see if she answers. Hey, hey, is Jeremy allergic to cocoa? Not cocoa, but
Coconut.
coconut.
Is he allergic to it?
Is he allergic to coconut?
Yeah, he don't eat it.
Is he allergic to it?
Yes.
It's either he's allergic to it or he don't eat it. Which one is it?
Both.
So he's not allergic to it. I am allergic to it.
Tell you, he could be allergic to it.
How you know he's allergic to it? He ate it before and broke out or something? Huh? If
They
he,
both lie together, y'all, as a couple.
it's a couple things.
They both lie together.
I said, we about to try these things right here, and we just wanted to see was he allergic to them. They got cocoa. They got coconut.
Yeah, he allergic.
You lying for him, bye.
No, I'm allergic for real though.
Let me make sure they don't have coconut in
They
it.
got, you can see the
Oh, yeah,
coconut.
it
in
said
it.
coconut.
We can just try them. Let's go and knock them out.
Yeah, y'all two can try that.
How the heck you open it? Oh, there we go. All right. They are already breaking up. How mushy they are.
Oh man, I don't like the consistency. I do not like that.
It was like Play-Doh.
Mm-mm. I don't like coconut. I don't like coconut.
I don't like
stuff.
coconut either.
So it didn't taste like coconut and oat milk.
Nope. I don't like that.
So that's
Anytime
a
your
no.
face brown like that, that means you don't like it.
We're gonna try these Milkita banana shaped candy.
Milkita.
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 Why is everything so hard to open?
That's good. What these banana?
Banana shaped.
Shake cream.
They actually have good food though. These look like
Heck yeah, that's one of my favorite foods is Mexican food.
I like Mexican food, just the chili.
that's what
Chili
these
water
are.
they give me on the candy.
These taste like Last Tappers.
Mm-hmm.
Yep. Those are good.
It make you smack.
Yeah.
We got the strawberry ones. Right, try them next.
Yeah, that's what I like to. I just don't like it. The aftertaste on it.
Yeah, I'm telling you nothing bad. They just that banana leaf out your mouth. I know those are good. They got milk. They got milk in it, bro.
Oh shit.
Oh Lord.
He's lactose.
These are good.
No, I don't like it.
Because you got that milk.
And I don't need it. Y'all should have warned me about the milk.
We didn't know.
These are plantain chips. I'm not sure if these is Mexican chips or not, but
They are,
that's about the same aisle.
Yeah.
Jungle chili. These is chili bananas.
Chili bananas? Might be good though.
Woo-hoo.
They hot.
They got a little spice on them.
She talking like they hot.
They ain't real hot, but they got spice on them.
They look like tortilla. They look like tortilla chips. This a hot one. No, that's a banana.
Yeah, that's what I said, it's a banana.
Oh,
Spicy
okay.
banana. They got a spice to it.
I don't like that. I do not like that.
This the lime ones.
I
Oh,
don't like
it's
that.
hot.
That's banana too?
Man, we can't deal with these. You know we're gonna get it with the other
I don't like that. I don't like the banana hot. That's a dried out banana with flavor on it. That's a banana too? I don't like that. I'm gonna pass on that. I don't like
I'm
that.
gonna let you see it.
I don't like that.
It's good.
It just tastes like that little book of lime on it. You wanna try these mangoes?
It look like tongues.
Hey,
Chili.
Tell me it got chili on it.
Chili limon mangoes.
Everything they got chili on it.
Y'all, we used to eat this kind of stuff in California, so I'm used to it.
I'm not used to it. I'm from Mississippi.
They're not used to it because they country boys. They from Mississippi, Atlanta.
She getting stuff to like this our mama or something. Let her get our own.
No, because everybody else got a try. All y'all gonna do is waste it anyway.
I don't like. Let me see. Nope, you don't like.
Nah, that got me with the chili.
I like it.
I'm saying, is it like the real chili or like a?
They're good.
Nope. That's
I don't like that.
dog.
That's nasty.
That's why would you put chili on something sweet though?
Because that's how
That's nasty, man.
Y'all, we have some more
I don't want to try.
of these Milkita things. This is honeydew. I'm probably not gonna like this because I don't like honeydew anyways. But we're gonna try it.
All those are chili based.
Honey do good.
I think I'm done on those chili based.
That's the green ball thing, like the fruit.
Yeah.
Nah, you got milk in it.
Oh, yeah.
He's lactose. He ask him how old he is. How old is he?
18.
Do he look 18? Do his body is his body shaped like an 18-year-old body?
And those are actually pretty good. Honeydew ones. I like those.
They had to hit me because I didn't like it at first when I first put it in my mouth. These taste like Laughing Taffy.
Let's try what my wife called me. Long sugar stick.
That's what they call it. That's what they call it. Long sugar stick. Now introducing.
Long sugar stick.
Yeah. What are you doing?
How stupid.
Let's try these. I know these good. These look like
These probably nasty as hell.
big ginger.
Ginger cookies. You just break.
Yeah.
These are called Campariana long sugar cookies. I don't know.
They're good.
They're
They're
good.
like a freaking dried up biscuit.
They look like you got it. They don't smell as good, but
I don't think I care for those.
I'll probably not.
I like that. She go like that too.
Nah,
I like that.
that's not good.
I like that.
You can take them home with you then.
No, I ain't gonna
They
lie,
have
I'm gonna
another-
eat them every day.
These called Duvalin milk candy.
Oh, them is nasty.
I don't know why
Try
they
those
make
Yeah.
milk.
Brianna had some of them.
We're about to try them.
And why everything
Yeah.
got milk and chili?
There's chili in there?
This is hazelnut and vanilla, and then we
Got
have
milk
a
in it.
strawberry and
No,
hazelnut.
they got milk in it.
Uh-huh.
You already been eating milk. You already committed yourself.
I can't do no more. I'm be in the house for the weekend.
Let's see. Huh.
No. Brianna. She
It's
love
good.
them.
Nah,
It's not bad.
they good though. It tastes like ice and they go on a cake.
Mm-hmm.
That's what it tastes like, ice. He want to try something.
Nah, I don't try it.
It tastes like ice and they go on a cake.
Come on, man. It's chili.
It's not chili.
Oh, saladitos con
It's not
chile. Y'all, Brianna like these. Saladitos con chile. Her and Liz be tearing these up.
They got chili on them.
Yeah.
Yes, and
No,
dry
no,
salted plums with chili.
I damn one of those.
God killed me with the chili.
You can try it like, yeah, chili. I don't like the chili. I don't know why, Mexicans put it. I guess that's the way they do it over here. Just like we do crazy stuff over here, they do the same thing over there. But I don't like it. You don't like
I
it?
can't even bite into it, so I don't like the taste of it anyways.
Let's try those spoons.
These are tamarind
What a tamarind. I know
flavored candies.
everybody gotta get their own spoon because I'll be damned if I lick off a spoon. I'm damned if I lick off a spoon like you. When you talk about the sugar dad or whatever, what you say?
Long sugar.
So get your own spoon, bro.
Everybody get their own spoon, y'all. Actually, it don't make sense to get your own spoon.
I'm not licking behind this guy.
You don't have to. Hold on.
I lick behind you, but I ain't lick behind him.
Let me show you. Crazy stuff.
Nah, they, no, that's nasty, bro.
These two right here. Ugh.
Bro, put it in your mouth.
I'm gonna just put this in my mouth and just swallow. I ain't gonna taste it.
Y'all, these is bomb.
I'm gonna take it like a pill.
This
Uh-uh.
is this
Nah,
right
that's
here
nasty, bro.
on the stick. We used to try to get to the ice cream truck every day in California just to get these things off the ice cream truck.
For 72 hours, goddamn, I feel amazing.